everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about a real Shopify implementation we recently worked on, where a brand wanted to run influencer campaigns directly through their Shopify store. So the idea sounds simple at first. The merchant works with influencers and gives them a free product allowance depending on their tier. For example, some get around $100, some $200, and some up to $300. The goal is pretty straightforward. They should be able to place an order on Shopify, and as long as the total is within their allowance, the order should go through at zero cost. But when we look at how Shopify works out of the box, there are actually a few different ways to build this. And each one behaves a bit differently in real operations. So what we did first was look at native Shopify features before jumping into any custom development. One option was using Shopify gift cards. In this setup, each influencer receives a gift card with a fixed value, and they can apply it at checkout. From a merchant perspective, this is very easy to set up and doesn't require development work. But gift cards cannot be strictly tied to a specific customer account, so they can potentially be shared or used by others, which may not fit a tightly controlled influencer campaign setup. The second option was using fixed amount discount codes tied to customer segments. So instead of issuing individual gift cards, we assign influencers into groups based on their tier, and each group gets a fixed discount value. This is much easier to manage when you have a large number of influencers. But it also has its own limitation. Once the discount is used, even if not fully consumed, the remaining value doesn't carry over. So what does this mean for a merchant in practice? It really comes down to how you design your business on Shopify. Shopify isn't just for selling directly to consumers. We can use it for brand showcase sites or B2B style websites as well. And beyond that, it can also support more specific setups like influencer programs with custom access and purchase rules. In this project, we explored how native Shopify features can get you part of the way there. But more complex business rules often require an additional customization layer using tools like Shopify functions or theme-level logic. The key takeaway is that Shopify is not limited to standard online retail. With the right approach, it can be extended into many different business scenarios. If you're building a similar workflow or have a specific idea on Shopify, feel free to reach out. We can help you explore what's possible. If you found this useful, like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more Shopify insights from our team. See you in the next one!